Hello everyone, this is Ankita Rani, and in this video I am going to talk about the characteristics of a good report. So actually in my previous video I have just started with the characteristics of a report. So let's just begin with the thing. So the first characteristic should be, whenever you write a report, the first characteristics should be of simplicity, right? It should be a simple one. It means the language shall be as simple as possible, right? So that a report is easily understandable. So here you are not supposed to exhibit your verbose, right? Exhibit your vocabulary, bombastic words you are not supposed to include it. Rather you should choose the simple words, right, so that you can make the thing, the matter, the content understandable, right? Because the basic motto of a report is to communicate what facts and information. So you should avoid using that complex words. One more thing in this, that jargons and technical words should be avoided. So actually you should not use jargons and technical words and old fashioned words, because it will make things unclear in the mind of the reader. So you should always consider about your receiver, that who is going to read my report. So according to that you should try to use wordings, try to use the language. So I think you have got the meaning of simplicity. Okay, moving to the next feature, next characteristic, that a good report should have clarity, right? A good report should have clarity. It means that the language should be lucid and straight, clearly expressing what is intended to be expressed. It means that clarity is what is the meaning of clarity? Clarity means clearly, right? It should be very very transparent, very straightforward. There should not be circumambulation, there should not be roundabout ways of saying the thing, because the basic motto of writing a report of yours is to communicate what information. So here you should try to focus on report rather than exhibiting your style of ornamentative style of writing. So you should always be straight, you should always be clearly expressing what is intended to be expressed. Your report should have clarity, then it can be a good report. Okay, moving to the next feature of good report, that a report should have brevity. Brevity is what? It should have it should be it should be in a concise manner, right? It should, let me read it out to make it more clear. A report shall not be unnecessarily long, so that the patience of the reader is not lost and there is no confusion of ideas, but at the same time, a report must be complete. We should try to make our report concise, because when you should try to avoid unnecessary things. You should, because it will reader will lose their patience, right? And the information will not be clear in the mind of the reader. So there may be a case when confusion arises, right? So you should always try to avoid the unnecessary things. You should not try to make your report the longer one. Okay, and at the same time you should always try to aim at you should always try to make your report a complete one. You have to make it concise, but also at the same time you should always aim at to make it a complete, right? Complete one, short and complete, you can say. Okay, so moving to the next feature of the next characteristics of a good report, that it should have positivity. As far as possible, positive statements should be included, should be made instead of negative one. You should always try to avoid negative statements. Should always focus towards the positive statements. So the next feature should be punctuation. Punctuations have to be carefully and correctly used, otherwise the meaning of sentences may be misunderstood or misrepresented, right? See what happens when you put because punctuation is it seems a very trivial matter, but it can play a major role. It can completely change the meaning of the sentences. So you should always try to focus on that, what punctuation I'm using, right? What punctuation I'm using, whether here it should be a comma, where it should have semicolon, whatever. So you should always be careful while you write, while we use punctuation. Moving to the next feature of the report, that a good report should have accuracy. A report shall be accurate when facts are stated in it. It shall not be biased with personal feeling of the writer. So actually, for accuracy in two senses. Firstly, first aspect, that the information should be the correct one, right? It should not be biased with personal feeling of the writer, because a report should be an objective one, not the subjective one, because whatever you are investigating, whatever you are analyzing, whatever you have got in your research, that matter should be included in report, but personal feeling should be avoided. So you should try to give that accuracy in your report. And the second aspect of accuracy is that you should try to make your report error free. You should not have spelling mistakes, you should not have grammar mistake, you should not have especially taken the punctuation, it should free of errors, spelling and whatever it is, right? So I think moving to the next, which is of very importance, that is the logical sequence, right? So the points in a report shall be arranged with a logical sequence, step by step, and not in a haphazard manner. Definitely, because actually the information will become clear in the mind of the reader when the things will be presented in a step by step manner. Suppose that if you have researched that thing and you have just haphazardly presented the thing, right? So what will happen, the things will become unclear in the mind of the reader, because if you are not following the logical pattern, then it will make no sense, right? So you should always focus for this aspect. Logical sequence should always present the facts and information one by one, step by step. So I think you have got this understood about report and the characteristic, that what are the characteristics of report that we should try to attribute to, right? What are the few things that we should keep in our mind while we write report. So I think this will help you in writing your answer. So till then, bye, and thanks for watching my video.